Unleash the ultimate party experience with Sony Ult Tower 10 wireless speaker. Are you tired of lackluster sound systems that fail to bring the party to life? Say goodbye to mediocre audio experiences and hello to the ultimate party companion, the Sony Ult Tower 10 wireless speaker. Designed to deliver powerhouse sound and an immersive ambience, this speaker is set to revolutionize your entertainment space. Let's dive into what makes the Ult Tower 10 stand out from the crowd. Massive bass, ultimate vibe. Imagine feeling like you're at the front row of a concert, with bass so powerful it makes your heart tremble. That's exactly what the Ult Tower 10 offers. Equipped with Sony's signature Ult Power Sound technology, this speaker produces deep, resonant bass that elevates your music listening experience to new heights. Whether you're hosting a party or simply enjoying your favorite tunes at home, get ready to feel the beat like never before. 360 party sound and light. Transform any space into a dance floor with the Ult Tower 10's 360 party sound and party light features. The sound is projected in all directions, ensuring that everyone in the room gets to enjoy the music, no matter where they are. And with the dynamic party light, you can create a vibrant atmosphere that enhances the party mood, from pulsating rhythms to mellow vibes. Customize the lighting to suit any occasion and keep the energy flowing all night long. Karaoke and guitar amplifier. Take your entertainment to the next level with built-in karaoke and guitar amplification capabilities. Whether you're belting out your favorite tunes or strumming along to your favorite songs, the wireless microphone and guitar input ensure that you can unleash your inner rock star anytime, anywhere. Plus, with the Ult Tower 10's powerful sound output, you'll feel like you're performing on a professional stage. Enhanced TV performance. Why settle for mediocre TV sound when you can experience cinematic audio right at home? The Ult Tower 10's TV sound booster function enriches your viewing experience by delivering deep bass and realistic high-frequency sound. Whether you're watching movies, live performances, or sporting events, immerse yourself in the action with crystal-clear audio that pulls you right into the heart of the scene. Portable and versatile. Despite its powerful performance, the Ult Tower 10 is surprisingly portable, thanks to its sleek and compact design. Easily carry it from room to room or take it outdoors for impromptu gatherings with friends. And with Party Connect compatibility, you can even connect multiple speakers for an even more immersive sound experience. Sustainability commitment. At Sony, we're not just dedicated to delivering exceptional products, we're also committed to reducing our environmental footprint. That's why the Ult Tower 10 is designed with sustainability in mind, using eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technology to minimize its impact on the planet. Conclusion: with its unparalleled sound quality, versatile features, and commitment to sustainability, the Sony Ult Tower 10 wireless speaker is the ultimate party companion for music lovers everywhere. Elevate your entertainment experience and unleash the power of live venue sound in your own home with this groundbreaking speaker. Get ready to turn up the volume and let the music move you like never before.